in the palm. That back foot, use that in the palm of his hand, and then leave the rings of watches and come back down here, boys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, everyone. That was a whole lot of fun, but if anyone was paying close attention back at the beginning of the show, I did promise you all natural behaviors with our birds, and that was not a natural behavior. You're not going to find parrots flying around stealing dollar bills to people and bringing them back to me. You're going to bring what out here, not very good behavior, and that is put the spotlight on conservation. I have a dollar bill right here, and boys, it's pretty where your dollar can go after the show. If you're interested in helping to save endangered animals, you can just put it in the box, just like boys. Getting the roll and drop the top. You're working hard for conservation. Thank you very much, everyone. Anybody that goes into that donation box goes directly to conservation, no stops along the way. And this next bird that's coming out here is a bird that is benefiting directly from the land that we've raised here at the bird show. This is the largest type of parrot in the world. It's called a hyacinth macaw. Hyacinth macaws are found in South America. Most of their populations are in Brazil. So these small populations in Bolivia and Paraguay. Our hyacinth macaws will be flying out here from the back of the woods and should be making his way straight down.
Oh, he's making freedom, Gordon.
That is one of the problems they face. They're such a cute looking bird, but there are a lot of people that would like to have a bird like this, but not only as a pet. Now that's natural behavior. That's not all bad as long as you know where the bird is coming from. The problem is there are still people taking these birds illegally out of the wild, selling them on the black market for the pet trade. And that's why we got involved here for 10 years ago. We started the Petting Reserve in northeastern Brazil to help make sure that the hyacinth macaws and the chicks remain in the wild just like they should. And it is making a huge difference. The population is slowly increasing, and that is thanks to all of you. Just like coming to the Minnesota Zoo today, you were all involved in conservation programs, helping to save endangered animals all over the world. So on behalf of the hyacinth macaws and all the other endangered animals that need our help out there, I would like to thank all of you for your support. It really does make a difference. Again, this is our hyacinth macaw. Thank you very much, everyone. And I hope you all will agree with me that we live on an amazing planet. And we share this planet with so many incredible animals. It is up to all of us to do what we can to make sure birds like the owls, red-tailed hawks, for many generations to come. I would like to thank everyone for hanging out here with us. If you do want to see Emily and Taylor will meet you in the front of the walkway in front of the stage. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day here. Thanks, everyone. Have a good day.
Stop it.